Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and this is my first Valentine's Day DIY. Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I thought to make something nice with items that I already have without spending a lot of money. I was lucky to have the bottle of wine and the wine box already, so I only spent $7 at the Dollar Tree store for the roses, the bear, the chocolates, the red hearts and the foam board. First, I want to cover the name of the wine that's written on the box, so I'll cut two hearts out of burlap that I already had and I will glue them on top. This beautiful bottle of wine is a gift from my husband's cousin. We loved the look of the bottle so much that we never opened it. And the wooden box, it was a gift from my cousin that had a delicious Romanian wine. So, thank you cousins, this is what I'm going to make with the gifts from you. For more color and to make it look more Valentine-y, I'll glue a red heart on top of the burlap heart. I will add some red tissue paper in the box because there's no better color than red for Valentine's Day, and then more tissue paper to make sure the bottom of the box is completely covered. I got this foam board from Dollar Tree store. There were two pieces for $1. I'll cut it to fit in the box. I'll put it under the tissue paper and I'll lay the bottle on top of it. Next, I will put the bear in the box. And now I will start cutting the roses, of course struggling with the scissors because I didn't think to get my pruner. I'll continue cutting the roses. I will make sure they all have leaves and I will arrange them around the bottle. I will use bigger roses where I have more space, but I don't like these white flowers, so I'll remove them and oops, I dropped the rose, let me get it. I'll add the leaves. Wait, there's no stem, never mind, I'll use this rose instead. Next, I will add a wooden stick to this foam heart and also to a few chocolate hearts, and I'll put them later between the roses. This is funny, but I counted the roses many times. I wanted them to be an odd number. It's a Romanian thing. Here I had no idea why my rose didn't want to stay. I pushed harder, I looked, I touched, and I realized it was the foam board. A wooden stick will do it. Now I will arrange the foam heart and the chocolate hearts wherever I have space, and I'll just move them around till I'll find the perfect spot. I also glued these cute figurines which fit perfect for this occasion. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Create with Silvia for more projects and DIYs. And now let's take a moment to admire this lamp that my father-in-law made.